Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is July 2025 Patreon Part 3. We'll be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And leave down a comments on our Patreon you think I should be looking at. And let me know what you guys think as well. All the link for this will be down below for you as well. Ronin Arts, they do D&D and pinups. Uh, for this month, they'll be back in August, so looks like they won't be have anything until you know August of next month. But they do have some pretty good pinups, and these like D&D minifigures for yourselves as well. Mostly they print like cool stuff. Hyperion Studio. This is a figure one as well. So we have June, July. I know we got this one last month for Zelda. I believe we have this one as well as Camila. I think this would be, we had this one for last month as well. I think this will be for this month. They have some pretty good pinups for it. We got some little sneak peek that's coming up as well. That looks pretty damn cool. I think this one as well for July. They do a lot of anime style ones for it. Ab 3D. This one is basically another figure if it loads properly. Always have a problem with loading on Patreon in many freaking ways for it. So we got my that I might be printing. We got let's see here. We got Storm. We got Mara Jade. Then that's Skywalker's wife. That's Luke Skywalker's wife in the canon Legends book. Black Cat, Starfire, Quiet, Hell Sonja, and here's your welcome pack as well. We got Claire Redfield, Hawk Girl, Cat Britain, and Supergirl. We got 3D Monji. We got Mirko, two different versions as well. We also have Betty from the Flintstone. Man, that brings me back because seeing Betty in many ways for it. And there should be more coming up. I think this one as well from Queen's Blade for it. CA3D Studio, another figure one as well. Let's see, we got the bus release for this month. That was actually had a figure for last year. Let's see here, under Veil of Stars, Date of Expedition 33. You also get the Cybernetics pack for this coming month as well. We got 2B, Terminator, Cable, Android 18. Forgot that guy's. I think his name's David, I believe. I don't know. I never watched Cyberpunk. Akita, and so much more. July 15 release is coming up. We got Lightning, Emma Frost. Don't know, don't know, don't know. Night Elf from World of Warcraft. Light, Anakin, Kenshin, Itachi. That girl looks familiar. I don't really remember. We got three. Looks like Hoop thing, and that one as well. Their like sculpts is really good. If you do really enjoy printing figures. Stone Station Forge, they have a lot of stuff. This was the June recap. This is how much you get for the whole month. They have a tribe, and you can get a lot more from them as well for the tribe. See, July cycle. This is the tribe one that you will get. So this is like past, like figures that they release on tribe. I'm trying to figure out if they release anything this past week, but doesn't look like it so far. But it's Warhammer Proxy. If you do enjoy it, we get a whole bunch of different stuff. Majority of them is like Imperials. If you do enjoy that, Neckel figurines, another figure one as well. Let's see here. This is a swap from Bolsker Sculpt that you usually look at. This is Final Fantasy 14. Let's see, Yu Zhan from Zero Zone Zentless. They should have like two more that's coming up as well. Recluse from Elden Ring. There should be two more coming up for this type of figure. They do a lot of video game and anime figure for it. This is past month, and this is going to be the current month that's going to be happening. So we got another Final Fantasy 14, and then it's Section 33. Do not know where she's from, but you should be getting her as well. Tundra Minis, another figure one as well. Looks like we got Carmen Isabella, one of the actors. I really forgot. This was from one of the animations on Netflix, I believe. Messenger of Death, Veronica and Betty. They'll be getting those. I think those are the three we'll be getting. You get the shower one as well if you want that. Mayo Studio. We're getting Delta for this month. We get the leg update for it. Let's see here. Veronica from Emerald Shadow. Yeah, I think we're getting Delta for that month. Man I Love figure, NSFW, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So it looks like Term 45, we got Rika, Sam, Jessica, Tagri, whole bunch of girls that will be coming in. Their basic size of 32 to 75 millimeters. So you can actually use this on your D&D game or use it as a proxy for your Warhammer if you're interested in that as well. STL Project. I gotta redo this whole thing. There we go. They do figures. July list. We're gonna be getting these four: Devilman and Femtoad. Oh my, those two are old. Oh my lord, Lamu. Oh, it's old. Android 18. This feels old. This is like early. I would say the late 70s to early 80s. This is my dad's anime. I was born in 89, so Android 18. And I think Limu was my generation. Just letting you know. Bulkstar, Bulkomancer Sculpt. That's what he's all that rabbit girl from Final Fantasy 14. This one is going to be a figure one as well. They're pretty good figures too. Uh, this will be July. We got Berserk. We got Yennefer. I never really got into Assassin's Creed. This is last month, and this would be a bonus one down below as well. That'll be coming out. Sculpt's really good. I think I printed Ada Wong and Jill that I did a painting video of for it. PG Gusta is another figure. We're getting a lot of figure today. Well, that's fine. Um, for this, that's welcome. We got ATV Digital. I think this is Captain Marvel, if I understand it right. Got Alia Secure, a Quincy, a not Quincy. It's one of the Jedi. I forgot its name. Elizabeth Swan from Pirates of the Caribbean. This is from the number 4, I believe. Let's see here. Oh, this is number 3 of the Pirates of the Caribbean. Towards the end, when they're fighting it, you got Andrea. That I'm gonna print, and I'm probably gonna print it for actual scale to my D&D campaign. Remoto, I don't know if they're still doing stuff. Um, they've been like in and out a lot of times. So this is the last update was May 28th. Today I had busy month. I got a little sick. These are the months for the month I missed. Okay, but yeah, I gotta probably message to see what's going on. Yuski Studio, another figure one. This is probably the last one that I'll be doing for this part of the video. This May character. So Patreon delivery schedule for July is Eugene Ho from Solo Leveling that I'll be getting. I think he's playing catch up. That's why I'm having one. Usually I have two, one boy, one male character, one female character for it. I didn't even know for one more. Okay, Little is taking a break. He won't be charged until August 4th. That is fine. Then we can go to the next one for this month. Yuka Polura. This one for July. Miss no Miss Ms. Nagatora. I'm waiting for season 3 of this. Fate, Messeline, and I never really got into the Fate. I think it was just too all over the place for me, in my opinion. But I do like a lot of characters, and I did play one of the games on the Switch. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.